Hello everyone, welcome to the gilgeekify programming channel. This is Saeed Kohansel, hoping you're doing well. Are you tired of designing thumbnails for your YouTube videos? Does creating YouTube thumbnails take too much of your time? Well, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial video, we're going to learn how to design thumbnails for our YouTube videos using AI with just one click, easily and professionally, to achieve the thumbnail we want. To create thumbnails, you just need to learn how to write prompts and save a ton of time. We'll be using Leonardo AI to generate YouTube thumbnails. This tutorial works both on desktop and through the mobile web browser or the Leonardo mobile app. To begin, let me first show you that the thumbnail for this very video you're watching was designed by me, using AI. Let's take a look at it. Here you see 3 images, which are generated, upscaled, and edited. I create the thumbnail in 3 steps: generating with AI, upscaling with AI, and editing with an image editor. I use Canva, though in the editing stage, I only added a logo to the image and nothing more. This is the initial image created by AI. This is the image I upscaled with AI. And this is the final edited image, specifically designed for use as a YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, I only added a logo to it using Canva. I want to show you the prompt I used to create this thumbnail image. This is the prompt I wrote. I'll make all the prompts you need available to you, and this is the prompt that Leonardo's Prompt Enhance feature wrote for me. This feature is highly creative and great for brainstorming, allowing you to achieve amazing results. Alright, let's get started. It's worth mentioning that this tutorial works on both desktop and the mobile web version, as well as the Leonardo mobile app. To use it, you only need a Google account, and I'll show you later how to bypass Leonardo's daily token limits. First, go to the address, app.leonardo.ai. Then, log in using the Google sign-in button. On this page, select the Google account you want to use to log in. Now, click on the Continue button. Okay, your account is created. Now, just check this option to make it ready to use. This is the panel we'll be working with. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens daily, and I'll show you later how to easily bypass this limit and get unlimited tokens. Always set the model to the latest Phoenix version in the options section of this page. If you want your prompt to run unchanged, set Prompt Enhance to off. And preferably set contrast to high. Set the image dimensions to 16:9. Okay, I'll start by generating an image with this prompt. I'll generate one set with Prompt Enhance off, and in the next sets, I'll enable this feature. If Prompt Enhance is set to on, Leonardo will start brainstorming and tweak your prompt with each click on the Generate button to help you achieve the desired results. Alright, all the image sets are generated. Let's take a look at them. If you see an error like this, simply refresh the page. Images may sometimes have typographical or visual issues, but don't worry, you can keep generating them until you get the desired and ideal results. Okay, for example, I think this image has no typographical or visual issues. This one looks good to me too. We can download any of the images we want. This image is beautiful, but I think it has a slight issue. I think this one was the best. Now, let's say we want to generate more images similar to this one. To do this, simply copy the prompt from this set and continue generating. Note that to generate with this prompt, you should turn Prompt Enhance off to get results closer to this image set. Now, it's time to get more tokens. To do this, go to your account settings and delete your account like this. Then, log back into Leonardo. Yes, repeat this process from the start each time, to get unlimited tokens. As you can see, the token count is reset to the initial 150. I'll turn Prompt Enhance off. In this option, you can specify the style of the image you want to generate. For example, this time I'll generate each set with a different style. Here are the images from this series, each with a different style. Since you have all the prompts, you can continue generating any set you like to reach your desired final result, or you can start from scratch with your simple prompt and let Leonardo handle the creativity using Prompt Enhance. As you can see, all the new sets are inspired by the previous set and are close to it because they were all generated with the same prompt but in different styles. The more you work with Leonardo, the better you'll get at writing professional prompts. Now, let's choose an image to use as a YouTube thumbnail. Let's say we want to use this image, so we'll download it. It looks good. Now, it's time to upscale this image to improve its quality. I'm low on tokens, so let me first get my tokens back. Since this part is repetitive and you already know it, I'll temporarily speed up the video. Let me tell you a tip: if the Leonardo panel gives you various errors or becomes inaccessible during this process, simply go to your browser's Inspect tool and clear site data to resolve the issue. Alright, let's get back to our work. To upscale, go to the Universal Upscaler page in Leonardo's menu. Upload your desired image here. Preferably set the creativity strength to 5 and click the Upscale button. Alright, our image is upscaled. As you can see, it now has excellent quality. Now, just download it, and you're done. Our image is completely ready. From here, it's up to you whether to import it into an editing program or not. If you want, you can edit it, add a logo, and so on. Now, let me introduce you to a useful tool. You can use the Describe with AI feature to upload your desired image, and Leonardo will give you its prompt. In fact, this tool converts an image to a prompt. Yes, here's the prompt generated based on my selected image. Let's test it and see what outputs it gives us. Alright, the images are ready. So, this feature is useful when you want to convert an image to a prompt. Okay, now let's try another series of prompts I wrote. When you encounter errors like this, just do what I mentioned a few minutes ago: use the Clear Site Data option in your browser's Inspect tool. Yes, as you can see, the issue was easily resolved. This series of prompts I've written and will make available to you are very practical. I've written these prompts so that the title acts as a variable, and the rest of the sections automatically sync based on the title, with elements related to the title appearing in the image. Let's try some of them to see what outputs they give us. Note that Prompt Enhance in Leonardo must be enabled to achieve excellent results. I've written these prompts to be simple and short, but they have a feature that connects elements based on the title. As you've learned so far, you should keep generating images until you reach the set or image you want. If you don't close your browser tabs, it will be easier for you since you can view all your previous generations and use their prompts. Alright, let's move on to our final image generation set. Let's go get more tokens again. It seems I need to clear site data again. Let me try these prompts with different titles. Here are the new images. Some images are so clean and flawless that it feels like we spent hours designing them from scratch. So, in this video, we learned how to create YouTube thumbnails in the shortest time possible. Use the techniques I taught you. Practice consistently to master image prompting. Good luck! If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. To stay updated with my latest content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I value your thoughts and feedback, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video beneficial.
Because I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.